He's lying. He's a president. He knows that you cannot pass a GAA without with a blank. He's lying.
His predecessor, former President Rodrigo Duterte, over claims that there are anomalies in the 2025 national budget. Duterte earlier claimed in a press conference that the 2025 General Appropriations Act was signed with several items left blank, which he says is akin to handing over a blank check to the government. This comes following the supposed discovery of Davao City's 3rd District Representative Isidro Ungab of blank entries in the bicameral Conference Committee report on the 2025 budget of the Department of Agriculture. According to Duterte, the spending plan is invalid and unenforceable. But Marcos Jr. says that as a former chief executive, Duterte should know that the GAA or the General Appropriations Act cannot be passed with blank items.
Yung mga blanco, hindi mo na pass ilo with blank.
Sinabi niya ito sa special episode ng podcast na Basta Dabawenyo na naka-upload sa YouTube channel ng anak niyang si Davao City Mayor Baste Duterte. Kasama rito ng dating Pangulo si Congressman Isidro Ungab ng 3rd District ng Davao City na naging chairman ng House Appropriations Committee sa administrasyon ni Duterte at Benigno Aquino III. Si Ungab daw ang nakapansin sa 13 pahina sa BICAM report ng 2025 budget na may mga blanko o patlang sa halaga ng nakalaang pondo. Gaya raw ng pondo ng National Irrigation Administration o NIA at Philippine Coconut Authority o PCA. Karamihan daw sa mga may blanko nasa pondo ng Department of Agriculture, gaya ng sa Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources o BIFAR, small-scale irrigation projects, at agricultural machines, equipment, and facilities. May blanko rin daw sa unprogrammed appropriations.
This is the first time that I saw a bicameral conference committee report na may mga blanco. Na-shock nga ako. Makikita natin na defective yung BICAM report. At bakit pinirmahan ng members? So the House and the Senate ratified defective BICAM report. In other words, apektado yung ating GAA.
Para ka nag-issue ng check kanya ng blanco to. Ano yung sabihin? Sila na ang maglagay, ang sekretary o ang direktor? Anong kalokohan ng naisip ninyo niya?
Dahil dyan, sabi ni Duterte, walang bisa ang 2025 national budget kaya hindi raw ito dapat ipatupad.
I would like to remind Congress, mali ho yan. It's invalid. Please correct it. Or record the budget and demanded explanation kung bakit dumating sa inyo yan na ganon kablangko. That is falsification of law. Perjury yan or whatever, criminal action. You can all go to jail for that.
He's lying. He's a president. He knows that you cannot pass a GAA without with a blank. He's lying. He's lying because he knows perfectly well that that doesn't ever happen. Sa kasaysayan ng buong Pilipinas, hindi pinapayagan na magkaroon ng item ang GAA nang hindi nakalagay kung ano yung project at saka ano yung gastos, ano yung pondo. So, it's a lie. I was watching the news earlier today and people were saying, it's 4,000 pages. Paano namin ibubusisiin yan? Ang gaganto, para titignan namin isa-isa. Hindi na lang. Meron namang kopya that's available on the website of DBM. Tignan ninyo, huwag na ninyong busisihin isa-isa. Hanapin nyo yung sinasabi nila na blank check. Tignan ninyo kung meron kahit isa para mapatunayan na tama ang sinasabi ko kasi nungalingan yan. That's my reaction.
Sir, regarding po sa possible extension ni PNP Chief Marbil, meron po bang ganitong plano, sir?
Well, there is a very strong argument that it would be it would not be good for stability, especially to change Chief PNP in the middle of a campaign period and then approaching an election period. So pinag-aaralan namin, but I think that is probably a very strong argument to keep him on, at the very least until after the elections. All right.
Sir, may recommendation po ang MMDA to shorten yung pasok sa government agencies sa Metro Manila to ease the traffic from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m.
Yes, I saw that. Well, we're studying it. If it works, we'll do it. But we have to. It's not enough to talk to the traffic enforcers and the administrators of traffic that have made the suggestion. We also have to ask the commuting public kung practical para sa kanila. So if it turns out that everyone agrees to it, then I cannot see why it will be a problem.
Matatandaang na-delay ang pagpirma ni Pangulong Marcos sa national budget dahil kinailangan daw ang mabusising pag-review dito. Sa pinirmahang national budget, vinito o hindi inaprobahan ng Pangulo ang 26 billion sa DPWH at 186 billion sa unprogrammed appropriations dahil hindi raw akma sa mga prioridad na programa ng kanyang administrasyon.